and welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through selecting the right here SDK edition for your project. The Here SDK is a toolkit that enables developers to build location-based applications using Here's location services and data. For instance, it provides routing, geocoding, and places search to allow creating apps with advanced location capabilities. Here SDK is accessible for both native iOS and Android platforms, and if you're looking for cross-platform development, it supports Flutter. The Here SDK comes in two distinct editions, the Explore edition and the Navigate edition. So which one is right for you? At a high level, the Explore edition gives you the basics for building map applications. You can search for locations and get directions using different modes of transport. Create a Here platform account, choose the base plan. You'll need to add your credit card details, but you'll not be charged unless you exceed the free tier for any platform resources. In your platform account, from the launcher, go to SDK and Tools, and select the Here SDK Explore Edition for Android, iOS, or Flutter. The Explore Edition can be downloaded right away. The Navigate Edition is the most feature-rich edition. It gives you everything in Explore, plus some powerful features. You can download maps for offline use, get turn-by-turn navigation by car, bus, truck, or even electric vehicles, and you can use Here positioning to pinpoint your location. Both versions include the Here rendering engine, which delivers stunning 3D maps for a smooth and high-performance map experience. You can have multiple map views, easy map customization, full 3D camera control, and seamless transitions between map schemes. Quick recap: choose Explore if you want a good basic map experience with search and routing, and choose Navigate if your app needs offline maps, turn-by-turn navigation, and other advanced features. The same APIs and components that are available in the Explore edition are also available in the Navigate edition, so it's easy to migrate from Explore to Navigate. The Explore edition is a great place to start, and you can easily upgrade to Navigate when your app needs additional features. Once you've chosen an edition, you can start building your app right away. The Here SDK includes everything you need to get started, including tutorials and sample code. The Here SDK empowers multi-industry applications. If you want to try for yourself, I would recommend downloading Here We Go on the App Store or Google's Play Store. Here We Go is a full-fledged navigation app that is built using the Here SDK. I hope this video helped you learn a little bit about the Here SDK. Thanks for watching.